Hey, you're out in the gods with TheEZGZ.
And I'm just feeling a little frustrated right now, and I got to get this thing done. So I brought my little buddy here. I call him Fast Eddy. One of my YouTube subscribers. His name is Ed, and I won't reveal his last name. I don't know if he really worried about it or not. This just showed up on my doorstep last summer, and I was thrilled to death. Talk about ingenious creativity of some Volkswagen parts. Look at this. On one side, are you ready for the diagnostic shit show? Yeah, I need a burrito. I always end my videos with something like that. Look at the detail in that. And this is all Volkswagen parts. He gave me legs made out of springs. He took a cylinder and cut it in half. Here's a wrist pin. Here's part of a camshaft. And then he put a bung on there that you could put a spark plug in. And then, of course, the little burrito tag right there. I'm telling you, I have the best subscribers on the planet. This is just crazy. And it just, like I said, it just showed up. He's got that little nose, and he's got his hip cocked, he's got his foot up. Kind of attitude, a little bit of an attitude. What a clever man. Thank you so much again. And I've talked to him several times. He included his phone number in a letter, and we've talked a little bit, and I'm trying to inspire him to get on with the VW project that he's been thinking about doing for a long time, and I hope he's watching this video, and I just think it's so cool. Gary over at VW Jawbreakers got a little man made out of some hubcaps. I thought that was so cool. Look at the legs are made out of a valve. It's got the valve. He bent it over here, but this is the intake and exhaust valve for legs. I just love it. And this sits in my living room on my fireplace hearth, and I look at this thing when I have a cup of coffee very frequently, and I think it's just amazing that somebody could just think this up. And don't blow my ego by telling me, oh yeah, I seen that someplace else before. I don't want to hear it. I would like to think that Ed did this, and I'd like to think that we are friends, and I wish he lived closer so we could hang out more often. And he's a fabricator, I understand from talking to him. So yeah, I just thought that was wonderful, and I think he did it off and on over a period of time. I think it says 85.45. SPD is 0.50. So there's your arrow for your forward part. What a cute little guy. Thank you, Ed. I hope you guys are taking a break with me and enjoying this. I'm trying to make some pieces of metal to cover up my frame horns, and my wrists are no longer strong enough to control this bandsaw, and I don't want to use a jigsaw. I want to make this a little bit safer. I think I'm going to incorporate a starting motor switch. It's a 12 amp automotive starting motor switch. I know, 20 amp, 12 volt, 20 amp switch. I'm going to incorporate it into a little aluminum project box that I got years ago at Radio Shack. I think I can make that fit in there. And then I can just stand on it and it'll turn on. I've got the a tie wrap holding the switch on. and I think I'd just feel safer in case something gets twisted up. But I see a lot of them on YouTube. Do-it-yourselfers have done some things with these portabands. Some great ideas, and they have big tables. But for what I'm going to be doing, I think just a small table. I've cut a bunch of little tiny pieces, but I need to get something on this shape going here. And I thought I'm going to stop and make a little video, get some inspiration from Fast Eddy over here, and make something. I'm sure before this project's done, I'll have some other little things that I want to cut as well.
Hope you're having a great day. Get out there in the garage. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. TheEZGZ out.